New
year,
new
presets.
We are stoked to announce our new Mango Street location collection for Lightroom and Lightroom Mobile.
Roll that beautiful Sizzler footage.
Okay, everyone needs their standby go-to presets.
For us, that's our classic collection that we released in 2018. We still use those bad boys every day.
But this year we wanted to create something for those times where the shoot calls for something a little bit different.
Maybe it calls for something punchy.
Maybe you just want to enhance the landscape.
Maybe you want to just create a specific mood.
Our new location collection, containing 16 brand new presets, does just that.
With this collection, we draw heavily from the look of film to create unique looks for 7 different environments, so that no matter where you're shooting, you've got the perfect preset to match.
As always, we've tested these presets across a wide variety of camera systems, formats, and skin tones to ensure they work well across the entire board. Let's start with the beach presets. In one click, this preset gives your photos a low contrast, dreamy, and instantly nostalgic vibe. Inspired by one of our favorite photographers, Jimmy Marble, these are 2 of our favorite from the collection. They just really exude a fun and carefree mood. Okay, let's try it on this skateboarder. As always, our presets will not affect your white balance or exposure, so we recommend making sure those are correct before adding the preset. Okay, right away it gives this photo a nostalgic, filmy feel. I love how it lifts the shadows on his face and smooths out the highlights. Okay, let's look at the beach washed preset. Nice. And just a quick reminder, if you don't want the grain on your photos, you can click the Remove Grain preset here after applying the look that you want. Okay, let's see a few more with the beach presets. What?
Ooh.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji.
Okay, how about desert presets? All right, for our desert presets, we really wanted to create a look that has creamy highlights to tame that harsh desert sun. This really gives your photos a more minimal and isolating mood, much like that of the actual desert. Let's check out the desert presets on a few photos. We can see that the film preset is cooler, and the Aqua one brings out more of the sky. Okay, let's go with Desert Aqua on this one. Now let's try a few more. On this photo of Rachel, I like the desert film one because it has a little stronger contrast in the shadows and it just works better here.
What?
Ooh.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. Let's head downtown, shall we?
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown.
We really wanted to give the downtown presets a moody, filmy feel that enhances the grit of urban environments. We also wanted to keep the colors poppy and the skin tones on point. Let's check out the downtown film preset on this photo of Matthew running across the street. I really like the green in the shadows, and we still maintain that pop of color behind him. Now let's see the downtown film Brighton in action. Nice, that was easy. Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji.
All right, let's check out one of the most common portrait locations, fields. Portraits and fields can actually be super tricky to edit because you often have a lot of greens bouncing back onto your subject's face, and we sought to fix that with this set. Here we have a photo of Rachel from a park in Copenhagen, so let's see how all 3 fields presets affect this photo. All right, a pet peeve of ours is when the digital greens are so bright and yellowy, so we wanted to create a preset that chills them out a little without losing the lush factor. Let's slap fields green on here. That's better. We also wanted to have a more stylized preset for those golden hour shoots at the park. This one again comes from a subscriber, Christina. Let's check out the golden preset. Beautiful.
What?
Ooh.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji.
Now let's head into the forest.
We've created 3 distinct looks for the forest. Let's take a look at them on this basic roadside photo Daniel took at Banff.
Hey.
Sorry, Daniel. We'll start with the forest bronze landscape. This preset is basically like a one-click fall preset. It's like dumping a large pumpkin spice latte all over your image, but like in a good way. The greens and yellows shift toward autumn as the reds and blues take a back seat. It's perfect for landscapes without people in them. Okay, if your photo has a person in it, we've still got you covered with the forest people preset. This one keeps the skin tones on point while really bringing out the dynamic, lush colors of any forest you could throw a rock at. Finally, we've got the forest washed preset. What's unique about this one is it pulls back the greens and lifts the shadows to give your photo more detail. Okay, let's look at a few more photos with the forest presets.
Ooh.
What?
Get it, girl.
Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. Daniel, what about the mountains presets?
Well, let's find out. If you could bottle up Walter White in a cabin in New Hampshire and put him into a photo preset, he'd probably look something like this. Blues, greens, and grain to write home about. Let's see it in action. Here we have another subscriber photo from tsue97. I think both presets look really nice here. Even the bronze landscape makes the sunset look pretty sick. But I'll go ahead and use the mountains Punchy preset. Ooh.
What?
Get it, girl.
Dang. Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji.
Can't forget the Rust Belt.
We drove all the way to the Rust Belt to get inspired for this one. No, literally. Born in a field behind the Walgreens parking lot, Rust Belt proves that you can create killer edits no matter where you are. It emphasizes copper and aqua tones to create a warm yet balanced cast and smooth contrast. And it salvages so many shots that we might otherwise not look twice at. One of our absolute favorites from this collection is the Rust Belt Brighten preset. You know, sometimes you take a top-notch portrait but the lighting sucks. If your subject's face is shadowed and needs a little help, Rust Belt Brighten can do this with one click. Suck it, preset haters. Fire emoji, fire emoji, fire emoji. But Daniel, I don't have an outside where I live. I only shoot indoors. Do you have a preset for me there?
Just hang on and we'll find out. Good news, if you're an early worm,
come on guys, early worm gets the worm.
And order within 24 hours of this video going live, you'll receive our indoor bonus preset, and then it's gone forever. Inspired by Ryan Muirhead's film photography, this bad boy preset gives you filmic qualities, a touch of blue in the shadows, and tames your tungsten lights. Let's check it out. But what if you just edit on your phone and you still want to use some awesome presets?
I have a solution for you.
While we certainly recommend using our presets on raw photos, you can see here it also does a nice job on JPEGs. Also, just because these presets have names based on environments, it doesn't mean that they won't work in other situations. So to prove it, we asked on Twitter and Instagram for you, our subscribers, to send us your raw photos for us to try the presets out on.
We'll be releasing another video later this week where we'll edit your photos with our new presets. But for now, let's take a look at a few of them. Thanks to everyone who sent in their photos. Okay, we hope you love these presets as much as we do.
We really try to find a balance between digital and film to create some really unique looks that we're really excited to use on our own photos.
If you want to pick up the collection for yourself, head to mangostreetpresets.com, and remember, if you order in the next 24 hours from the time that this video is released, you'll get our free bonus indoor preset.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.